Perhaps selling vehicles like these is the reason they want to ban TikTok in the US.
Oh my God! The noprosrc.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we've acquired another TikTok RC, probably about the size of a Hot Wheel, except this one is a truck. It says it's 4x4, we'll have to test that. Aww. And it also comes with a trailer. Now the only thing that I don't particularly like about this guy is the controller that I'm going to show you in a minute, but other than that, the looks of it is just awesome. Let's just go ahead and unbox this and explore it further. Open from here. Yeah, it's as you can see, it's nicely packaged. It's so nice, it's almost to the point where I really don't want to open it. I just want to hang it on my wall as a, you know, a showpiece. But I may have to buy some more to just for trophy pieces, you know what I mean? So here is the trailer that comes with it. Here is the transmitter that I was talking about. Here's, you know, up, down, left, right. I guess the percentage means how fast you want to go. It's something you definitely gonna have to get used to. It does take, you know, what I call a watch battery, CR2032. So the transmitter battery should last for a decent amount of time. So let's get the car free it with a screw driver. All right, so stand by.
A few moments later.
Here she goes. She does have a little weight to her. Here's the undercarriage. This is 1/64 scale, which is excellent because I do have plans for this. These tires are rubber. You can align it up, get your front steering aligned. The on-off switch is here. I don't think this is four-wheel drive. The lights on the front do light up. I don't know about the rear. So yeah, this is a nice looking piece. You also get the USB charger to charge it. So yes, as you can see, this is a marvelous looking RC, micro mini excuse me, just getting over a cold. Micro mini RC. It's the detail on it is incredible. I particularly love the attention to detail on the caravan or the trailer. Let's just see how she operates. So what you would do is pull this little tab here on the transmitter. Yeah, your steering radius is not going to be that great. See if I can turn this around with the trailer. Okay, so as you can see, pretty fun to operate with the trailer on there. Because of the turning radius, again, is not that great. You're gonna have a difficult time maneuvering this trailer. You know, with a little bit of practice, you can definitely try to get the hang of it. Now without the trailer, let's see what she can do. Definitely much better without the trailer. So again, what my plans are for this guy is to put it on the Hot Wheels drag track and run it down the track. So a little bit of update about that. I do have everything that I need to get that going. So we will be setting that up once I clear some space, so you want to stay tuned for that. For this guy, for the price of it and the quality and the detail, I definitely recommend that you pick one up at the TikTok shop. If I can find the link, I definitely will put it down in the description below for you guys. I believe they have 3 or 4 different variants of this. I got 2. Well, I'm waiting on a second one to come in the mail. So yeah, it'll be very disappointing come January 19th if TikTok is no longer available for US citizens and we can't buy or see things like this. That would be very disappointing, because again, you can't find this on Amazon or Walmart. I found this on TikTok, and from what I've experienced so far during the taping of this video, I like it. It's nice, and I definitely recommend you guys picking one up. Alright, so with that being said, I'm not going to hold you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We appreciate all your support, and once you do all that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Stay tuned for the drag race on the Hot Wheels track with this newly acquired TikTok RC 1/64 scale. And until the next video, enjoy your holidays. Y'all be easy. We'll see you on the next video.